about 3:35 a.m. Once again, everybody's sleeping in the house. Time to go out and salt. I'm going out to work, okay?
Alright.
Love you.
Love you. Be careful.
I will. Gotta stay hydrated. You don't realize sometimes how strenuous and how much labor goes into plowing and salting and shoveling snow. Like, it's way harder than what I even remember the last time I did it 2 years ago. Like, it's hard on the body. I'm telling you right now, a year ago, when I was at my heaviest, 306 pounds, I couldn't have done this, guys. I thank God I didn't go into it last year. At least I don't think I could have. But I don't know. I'm pretty strong up here. I can push myself pretty hard. But the body, I'll tell you what, man. It's a lot of work, man. You're moving, 2,500 pounds in and out, climbing in and out of the bed of the truck, in and out of the truck constantly, shoveling, it's a lot of freaking labor. A lot of labor. You don't realize it. So, I'm going to finish off my water here and head on out. Bring it alive, boys. Bring it alive. So what I like to do first, guys, is a perimeter pass. I just go around the entire outside that I can. Get as close to the building and the walkways, sitting areas that I possibly can. Cranking it down here, simply because there's some cars here. New paint job. The biggest thing with this, guys, plowing and everything, is staying vigilant. Knowing what's around you, knowing your surroundings at all time. I call it being hyper vigilant, because you have to be super into what you're doing. Because if you're not, that's how things get broke. That's how things get, messed up. Accidents happen. And that's what we're trying to avoid here. Alright guys, so part of the contract here is I have to clean these spots up. So like some of these I couldn't hit the other day because these machines, these conveyors were in the way through here. So now I'm just coming in and I'm just cleaning it up. We're going to drop the mini monsters back here off at their grandpa's. You guys want to say hi? Hi! So yeah, we're going to drop the mini monsters off real quick, and me and TQ is going to run and pick it up. Let's go!
Let's go!
Alright guys, so we got here. They only had one left of the two they just told me 15 minutes ago whenever I called. So this Home Depot officially has none.
Ooh, he's stealing.
This car sucks so
It might be the driver.
No, you were bad.
I know, I know.
Alright boys, we went ahead and picked up the Toro Stage 1 snow thrower, snow blower, whatever you want to call it. And there's probably not much install, maybe the handle. Take a look, take a look. Got the oil, looks like the key down in there. Now they say these are around 90 pounds. A little bit heavier than what I was hoping for, honestly. They do have it in an 18-inch model, but I just think that thing would be pointless for what we're trying to do. You're definitely going to feel it when you're lifting it.
Were we gonna see about maybe if it will fit in the back seat?
Oh yeah.
We're gonna fold up the seats and see if that would be an easier option.
Only because, guys, I'm not really worried about the salt or the moisture getting inside the truck. If we can put the back seat up and put it, you know, right there in between the front seat and the back seat with the back seat flipped up, we'll definitely do that. It'll be a lot shorter than trying to lift it up into the actual bed of the truck. Alright guys, we got the oil in it. About to put some fuel in it for the first time. Just going to put a little bit in it for now. Alright boys, we got fuel in it. We got the oil in it. You drop the oil in here. It's already pre-measured. I think it was around like 20 ounces maybe. Go ahead and drop it in there. I don't know much about this thing. I know this is the choke. Turn it on. We don't have any plug-in into it yet. This is the engagement for the blade, so I don't think I have to have that on. Go ahead and prime it. Let's give her a go. Well, boys, that's the Toro snowblower. As always, keep salting, keep plowing, keep making money, boys. I'll talk to you later. Peace.